Hi, welcome back to ViaVia's Kitchen with me, Lala. And today are so special because right now I'm at ViaVia Guest House that is located in Prawiro Taman Street, inside of the alley, and also not far from ViaVia Restaurant and also ViaVia Bakery. And today I will make ice cendol or es cendol. This is the famous beverage from Java, especially from Java, and some of people in Java called also as dawet. And cendol itself came from West Java and also Java, and it's very familiar beverage that easy to find, and a lot of cendol seller in here. And now I will show you how to make the cendol, and I will show you the ingredients. First, pandan leaf. I will make the juice from pandan leaf and also suji leaf. Pandan leaf is for the flavor, and suji leaf is for the natural green color. And here I have 90 grams of rice flour, and then 70 grams of tapioca flour, and here also 1 teaspoon of salt. And for the juice, I will add 750 milliliters of water. And then for the next is for the palm syrup. I'm using 200 grams of palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can replace with brown sugar. And then 100 grams of sugar, white sugar, 200 milliliters of water, and here I also using ripe jackfruit. If you don't have ripe jackfruit, you can skip, or you can replace with vanilla bean. And then for the coconut milk syrup, I'm using 500 milliliters of coconut milk and 3 pandan leaf. Okay, now I will start to make the cendol jelly. First, cut the pandan leaf and also the suji leaf and put it in the blender. Here I'm using 8 suji leaf and 5 pandan leaf. Then add 750 milliliters of water. Okay, and after that, strain it and put it in the pan. And then I will add with rice flour, and also tapioca flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt, put all of them together and then mix well. And then turn on the fire into medium heat. Keep stirring so the juice will be solid batter and not stick on the pan. Okay, and for about 3 minutes the batter will be solid like this, and make sure that the batter is not stick on the pan. Wait until the batter comes into bubble. And then I will turn off the fire. And wait until the paste is a little bit warm. And for the sharpeners, I will use this kind of spoon that have holes in it, or if you don't have like this, you can use piping bag. Put the paste into the piping bag and then cut the end of the piping bag, and then we will make the cendol into the water and also the ice cube. So I will show you the both techniques. First, prepare the water and also with the ice cube. Like this, and then now I will show you how to use with the piping bag. You can use one or two because it's hot. You better use two plastic. Make the cendol drop like this. And finish until the batter is runs out. And now the second part, I will make the palm sugar syrup. And the ingredients, as I have told you before, here I have 200 grams of palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can replace with brown sugar. And then 100 grams of white sugar, 200 milliliters of water, and here I have ripe jackfruit. If you don't have jackfruit, just skip it, or you can replace with vanilla bean. First, I will slice the palm sugar. I will put it in a saucepan. Why should I slice the palm sugar? Because it will easier to melt and blending with the water, and also the liquid will be more solid. And then I will add white sugar here. And water. And then I will turn off the fire into medium heat of fire. Cook until it's boiling. Keep stirring because we know that sugar is easily to burn. And then I will use jackfruit. I will cut the jackfruit into cubes. To add the flavor of the brown sugar syrup. Three jackfruit is enough, and the last piece I will put for the topping. So I will wait for until the sugar is melting. So I will show you that the cendol is like this. The texture is soft, and the ice, the function of the ice, it will to make the cendol better, becoming hard. And then after the sugar is melting, the consistency is like this. So after the brown sugar is melting, like this, and boiling, I will turn off the fire, and then I will put the jackfruit in. Stir it and put aside and let them cool. And the texture is like this. And now the third part is making the coconut milk syrup. Here I have 500 milliliters coconut syrup, coconut milk I mean. And then I will turn off the fire into medium heat of fire. And then here I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I will put in here. And also I'm using pandan leaf. I just want to make this into knot, and then I will put in here to make the coconut milk become fragrance. And then cook the coconut milk until boiling. If your coconut milk is thicker, you can add water until the texture is like this. It's not too heavy. If you want your coconut milk more lighter, you can add more water. If you don't have coconut milk, you can replace with almond milk, or fresh milk is also possible without boiling. So this is the cendol. Before that, I will put it in a glass. I will tell you a little bit story of the cendol. Besides, it's easy to find. Usually, cendol is very famous in Japanese wedding ceremonial. Usually, the parents of the Japanese brides is selling the cendol, and then the guests will buy the cendol using the coin, money coin that is made from clay, and it means that they are united in togetherness and sharing happiness. And to buy the cendol, which means that human life begins on earth, and the host or the parents of the brides hope that there's a lot of pray as much as the cendol, like this. So, and the sweetness of the cendol also have meaning that I will tell you later. But first I will show you how to plate the cendol first. put the sugar in the bottom of the glass. 2 spoons enough. And then the cendol. And then the coconut milk. I will show you one more time. If you don't like sweet, you can put 1 plus 1 soup spoon only of the sugar. And also there's a story of the cendol that the white is means of man, and the palm sugar is symbolizes woman. And then to eat the cendol you have to stir, so the sweetness and the savouriness is blending. And then I will top a little bit with jackfruit. And then the cendol is ready. Now I will taste the cendol. The taste is very delicious, the sweet and the savouriness from the coconut milk, the palm sugar, and the smooth of the cendol is like a perfect balance and combination. And the sweet taste symbolizes the prayer that the marriage will fulfill with sweet and good things. And that's it for today. And don't forget to recook this recipe because it's very simple and also delicious. And if you have any question, you can drop in a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I'm signing off from now, and have a great day everyone. Bye.